Welcome. In front of me is a Neffos C5 Plus, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery from the device. So to get started, I'm just gonna lock the device up so I don't press anything. And from there you wanna pull off the back cover, which you have a tab where you can put your nail in and start prying away. On the bottom right corner, go around carefully so you don't actually break the cover. It should come off fairly easy. And you can see there is a battery, so you wanna right here lift it up and out, and it comes out, and then you get the access to SD cards like you can see right here. I've just taken out, and also SIM card, which I'm also gonna take out right now, as you can see. And without taking the battery out, you can't really take out any SIM card or SD card. And once you want to put the battery back in, make sure that you just align the plus and minus where you see it with the pins right here. And the battery actually can't go any other way. It's just more of a visual help. So you can just push it back in there, and let's close it up. And I can turn back the device. And we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.